Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you type youtube.com/@Santosh, you will reach my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can go ahead and customize your Neve theme step by step. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is on the left hand side to go to appearance and then themes. This will bring you to the themes page and show you the existing themes that you have. Next, I want you to click on Add Theme. What that will do is it will add the theme. So over here in the search bar, type Navy. What that does is it will go ahead and show the themes that are based on Navy. The one that we are looking at is the Navy theme, the first one, or Navy FSC, which is the second one. As you can see, this is how it looks. And it has 32 rating. When you are downloading a theme, you can check out all the things that you have over here or select a specific one. This is the Navy theme by default. This is how it looks. FSE means full site editing. So let's try this one. Okay, let's click on install and then click on activate. When you do that, it will install the theme. Now I will show you how the website looks. This is your website. This is how it looks with the Navy theme. Okay. Now, if you go to the blog page, this is how it looks. So I'll show you how to customize this theme. Go to the dashboard, and in the dashboard you see appearance and then themes. Click on it. Over here, click on customize. This will bring up the left hand sidebar, which is the customizer. We will customize the individual things of the website. Over here, you can see that we have navigation, and it has all these pages. The navigation menu displays your website pages. Editing it will enable you to add, delete, or reorder pages. However, new pages no longer be added automatically, will no longer be added automatically. You can click on edit and you can see what it is. So here you have the option to edit. When you click on edit, you can go ahead and put the pages that you want. If you click on the plus, it will add the pages. So here I don't want to do anything as of now. So I will just click on back. Now we have blog that we want to edit. So that is editing the navigation. Next is footer menu. Footer menu has all these things as well. Footer menu has all these things as well. So you can edit that. So you have the this is the navigation menus are created. This is navigation superb add-ons. This I don't want at the moment. Then we have again navigation. These are the same things. We have styles, so we can customize the typography. So fonts, you can select what fonts you want. I will go with the default colors. I will go with the default colors. Then you have shadows. We will go with the default one. We'll just go with deep, and this looks nice. Pages, you can add pages. These are the pages that are already there now, so we won't change them. Templates, these are the templates. So we can edit the front page template, for example, this one. Let's assume that you want to add a particular ad over here. What you will do is you will just go ahead and change these settings. Let's assume that you want to put an ad over here. What you do is just say add before, and over here you will just say custom HTML and whatever you want to add. Let's assume that we want to add ads, still add. Let's go here. Let's assume that you had an ad running. This is for hotels. Here we have a 728 banner. I will get the code for 728 banner, and here I can put that code. Okay, here I can put the code. I will click on save, and it will save to the blog. Now, if I want to take a look at this, I can take a look. For example, like hotels.info.uk. So now you will see an ad on the top. Okay, that is how it is. So you can also make this a little uh, thing over here. I will show you what I mean. And after, and here, columns, 3 by 3 column. Here I want to put the ad instead of putting it elsewhere. So I will take this. I will just say delete, and here I will put that in the middle so that it looks nice. So here, if I refresh the page, now you see the ad is in the between. This is how you edit, guys. Okay. The next thing is you can rename this to top ad below menu. You can give it a name like this. Okay. So that is about all templates, right? This is about front page. And on the front page, on the blog page, you can see you can edit the blog page as well. So like this you can do when the blog page is there. So let's see how our blog page looks. So it is not doing the page thing. So what I will do is I will go ahead and set this page as blog page. Let's see what happens. Here, if I go to settings, general, settings, reading, I will say a static page, and this is home page, and this is blog page. Let's save the changes. Here, what I did is I put the static page as home page, which is the first page, and then the blog page I configured. Let's see. So in short, that is how you customize your Neve theme. Okay. This theme doesn't have the customizer, but it has full site editing features. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt, let me know and I will make a video on that. Thank you.